Okay, we are starting today today's class, baby class. Today we will see how to create a user form and save details onto Excel sheet. Okay. To save details onto Excel sheet, right? Um, Without user intervention and directly on the Excel sheet, we can create a user form. We will see now how to create a user form with some specific. To create user form, right? Come to modules and right click and click on insert and user form. Okay, a form will be created. As we discussed in last classes, right, we will have controls such as whatever available in .NET kind of thing. Almost all the controls will be available, not like particularly like .NET, but like this text box, drop-down control, checkbox, radio button, combo box, list box, like these things are available. Now see, basically see, without user directly entering on some data on the onto an Excel and saving, right, you will try and record back. Yeah. Okay. User comes here, runtime, right? There is a button here. You will click on the button. The user form opens automatically, and he enters some data. The data will be saved upon clicking save button or something on the user form, and the data will be saved onto the Excel sheet. Okay. Now let us see how can we do that. See there, I have created this user form. Right click on module and insert, and then again I'm repeating, right click on modules, insert and user form. We'll create this user form. Okay. Now assume that we are creating a user form for student data entry. Okay. Student information, something like that. I'm renaming that particular module. Okay. See, click on properties and you can rename this form like this. User form student. Okay. You can increase the width and height of this window for your requirement. And this is toolbox. Our controls will be available here. See, I want to write something here like student data entry form or something like employee data entry form. How can I write? Normal I cannot write. Okay, but I can select something from here. Text box. Okay, label text box. We can select these controls and we can design like however you want. Okay. We will put all the required controls over to the form and we will see how to write code within this user form. Okay. Now see this I have dragged and drop a label. Even you can take the text box also, but for header kind of thing, header to highlight some information of the user form, right? It is required that we use label kind of controls. See now say again say take some labels. This label should identify that they should enter their name. Okay. Student name. I can copy this and again paste it here, and I can give something like student ID. Student ID.
Student ID. So we can see
This is like yeah.
right?
Whenever you run this form, right, to display this, beside this we'll place text box so that they can enter student name like that. Gender. Okay, for gender, right? See. Now see, we will drag and drop text box here. Okay. For this text box, give an identification. See, here it is. Sorry, I have drag and drop label, right? This should not be a label. This should be a text box.
అదే లాగౌట్ చేయకుండా లాగౌట్ లేదనుకున్నా చెప్తాను.
So, give an identification.
ఎవరు లాగిన్ అవ్వలేకపోతున్నారు, ఎవరు కనెక్ట్ అవ్వలేకపోతున్నారు.
Control. మనం 5 minutes అని చెప్పేసి చెప్పాం.
ఎవరు అదే లింక్ కనెక్ట్ అవ్వలేకపోతున్నారు. ఒకసారి డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తారు.
ఒకసారి మనం డిస్కనెక్ట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ